Hello, my name is and today we're going to be talking about dun, 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 the rock cycle. What? But wait, what is the rock cycle? I know what it is. JK.
This is the Rock Cycle Rap. Check it.
Yo! It's me in the house. Hey! We're gonna start off today with the rock cycle. Alright, y'all. You have to know this. A rock can be made up of one or more minerals. Alright? And today we're gonna study the 3 different types of rocks in the rock cycle. Because the rock cycle is fun! It's so much fun. We have igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. But today, we're only gonna be focusing on igneous, and then we're gonna move on to sedimentary. And finally, we will be covering metamorphic. Alright? Okay, let's start with igneous rocks. Okay, they are made when the molten magma from deep within the earth cools and turns it into solid rock. So, this would be known as an intrusive igneous rocks because the rock is being formed underground. It's going to be formed below the surface of the earth. An example of a rock that's intrusive and formed below would be granite. And it's formed here. Alright? That's known as intrusive. So it's gonna be an intrusive igneous rocks. And as the magma flows upward toward the volcano, it's no longer magma, but lava. It comes out as lava over the surface and it flows out during a volcanic eruption. Pew pew! And it hardens quickly to form an extrusive igneous rocks. So let me give you a smaller recap. Basically, we have the magma. We have the intrusive being formed here below the Earth's surface, and that's one. But if the magma flows upward and there's a volcanic eruption, the magma becomes lava because it's over the surface. And as the lava travels downward, it cools and solidifies quickly. And it could form this example of a lava rock. And this is known as extrusive because it's formed above rock, above the Earth's surface, not below like an intrusive igneous rocks. Sorry. So just really fast, let's have this recap. Intrusive, I use the word internal to remember. There's granite, which tends to have large crystals. And extrusive, which forms above the surface of the earth, I use the word external to remember, is lava rock, also known as pumice. So what happens after we have our extrusive igneous rock, pumice? What? Let's find out. Forces of nature like rain, wind, snow, and hail act on the exposed rock. Poor pumice. He's like, what? So basically, they act on the exposed rock on Earth's surface to erode, weather, and transport these broken bits. Basically, here we have pumice. And let's say it starts to rain. Let's say it starts being weathered down. No! And what happens is that the pumice gets broken down into smaller sediments, or larger rock fragments, for pumice. And from there, it is transported and, of course, weathered away. Dun, dun, dun. Our once exposed rock has now been weathered and eroded down into smaller rock fragments or broken bits. Opposing factors such as winds can take these broken sediments or rock fragments to nearby rivers and streams where they are then continued to be transported and eventually deposited nearby these rivers or streams. And over time, they begin to layer up. Oh my gosh, what happens next? Dun, dun, dun. Alright, you guys. So, over many years, the layers of sediments pile over each other to become cemented together and harden. And we have what you will already know. Sedimentary rock! What? Sedimentary rock? Yes. Sedimentary rock. They are cemented and compacted together. They are compressed, each layer by layer. And that's how they harden and become, as mentioned before, sedimentary rock. Go ahead and write that down, remember. Sedimentary. These layers pile over each other, and that's how sedimentary rock is made. So what happens When our sedimentary rocks undergo great heat and pressure, what can happen? Well, this means that it is metamorphed into a metamorphic rock. What? Metamorphic rocks are formed under tremendous heat and pressure. Here we have an example of the layers of sedimentary rock, they're very, very old and they're very deep. And let's say that the magma suddenly starts flowing upwards. As it flows upwards, the contact that it has with the sedimentary rock, because it's already under tremendous pressure, since it's already very layered, and in the magma, which is the heat, can change or metamorph this rock, this layer of sediment rock, into a formation of metamorphic rocks. And that's when the metamorphic rocks are born. Yay! We give a short summary about everything we learned, and the course include the grand finale. Okay, let's begin. Let's remember that all rocks can be recycled into the other two. Igneous metamorphic or sedimentary rock is eroded and weathered away as dissolved material. Over time, the fragmented materials accumulate and are cemented into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, sedimentary rock party, sedimentary rock party, all about that sedimentary. Igneous sedimentary or metamorphic rocks exposed to high temperatures or pressure change physically or chemically to form metamorphic rock. Alright guys, got this? When sedimentary, metamorphic or igneous rocks are pushed under the Earth's surface, it's melted into magma, and this magma, when cooled, solidifies into igneous rock. Erosion happens mainly as a result of weathering effects of water, temperature, and of course, heavy rain floods and fast-moving rivers break away and carry rocks. Waves on the beach smash against rocks as they hit the shore. Glaciers become large rocks and scrape bedrock while moving down its course. Wind blasts away layers of rocks, carrying it as it goes. Earth is composed of tectonic plates, which are constantly moving at a slow rate. When they collide, it causes friction and tremendous heat, causing the rocks to recycle and change form to one another. This has been the contributing factors to les rocs cycles avoir. Merci for your time. I hope this was educational. I hope this was helpful. Alright?